Hello, and welcome back to another Nova Launcher setup series. Leave a comment if you're a Batman fan. This widget displays the date, time, and battery percentage. Please do not skip the video because I will show you how to put this up. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell button. Let's look at which apps are required for this Nova setup. The app links are provided in the description. If you are having trouble downloading from the link, watch the video given in I button. Let's get started on the video right now.
You're a superhero.
Download the backup file from the description and extract it. I have also provided a link to the file manager. Set the image as the Nova Launcher's home screen. To restore Nova Backup, open as Other and open with Nova Launcher. Tap OK to restore. Create the widget, then open it and search for widget number S85. Pi for KWGT should be installed to get the search result. Adjust the widget size to 125, save it, and then close it. You were successful. We appreciate your interest in the video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. You'll see us in the upcoming video. Until then, I'm going to sign off.